Justin Taylor here from Speco HQ. How long does it take you to install 4 separate cameras in one room? Wow, right? What if I told you that you could install 4 cameras in the time that it takes you to install one? Now you can with Speco Technology's 084S. Let me show you how. Our 084S camera consists of 4 2-megapixel cameras combined into one durable housing. These cameras can be rotated to cover 95 degrees of the scene, encapsulating a full 360 degrees of your surroundings. Normally with multiple cameras, it would require multiple channels on your recorder. However, this all-in-one solution only takes up one channel. One channel also means one wire for power and video, which cuts down on installation time and makes managing cables easier than ever. The 084S is packed with incredible features including advanced analytics and two-way audio when connected to a compatible Speco Blue NR series recorder. This camera is perfect for large rooms like auditoriums and gymnasiums. With an IK10 rating, you don't have to worry about the camera breaking on impact, providing another layer of protection against accidental or intentional damage. For more information on the 084S and its variety of use cases, visit the link to the product page in the description. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date with future solutions. I'm Justin Taylor, and thank you for choosing Speco.